parts for them.
The spa treatment.
I don't spa treatment.
As the girls assemble in the hallway, as they ready for the ballroom, Michelle shares the anxiety that is creeping back.
I mean, I'm so worried that the OCD is going to pick on something and then I'm going to have to obsess over it forever, you know.
She has already tested the bed by sitting on it, just to prove to herself that a bed where strangers have slept won't make her dirty. Just like she tested that gym locker long before, and that black closed parking lot. But this time she was testing herself without her mom, without her coach.
You did it on your own as your friends were in the room. Do you think they even knew that you were trying?
Delicious ear washing.
I think they're knocking for you. Her friends are waiting. That prom is about to start. And just outside, just out of sight, Mom waits as well, just in case.
I don't want anybody to see me because I don't want her to feel bad. But I need to be close enough that if she does have a panic attack or if she can't do it, that I can be able to be there.
When we come back, we search for Michelle out on that prom floor. What would we find? While back at Bridget's house, where she is finally home, we were not expecting what happened next.
Don't let it go. Gigi tastes yummy,
Bitch loves Gigi.
Sunday.
When I was pregnant,
and
my dad
I know you get my boobs on film.
Let's cut this. Good night. Ryan and Tatum, the O'Neills. All new Sunday, 10/9 Central, only on OWN.
Kids who don't eat breakfast may not be getting the nutrition they need to keep their bodies strong.